major snowstorm has swept across Texas and surrounding regions, bringing heavy snow and icy conditions that have severely disrupted daily life. The storm began early this morning, accompanied by freezing rain and heavy snow, forcing school closures and making travel hazardous in parts of northern Texas and Oklahoma.
It started about 7 this morning, so it's been snowing for about 4 hours.
Oh my God, snow!
Snowing.
Reports indicate snowfall, amounts ranging from 2 to 5 inches in northern Texas, including cities like Dallas and Fort Worth, while areas near the Red River have seen accumulations of up to 8 inches. The National Weather Service has issued winter storm warnings for a wide stretch of the southern United States, including major cities such as Dallas, Little Rock, Memphis, Nashville, Birmingham, and Atlanta. Snowfall totals of up to 6 inches are expected in some regions by the end of the week.
Here we are out in Bells, Texas. It is pretty snowy. The cows are liking it too.
Air travel has been heavily impacted, with more than 2,100 flights cancelled across the country. The Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport is among the hardest hit, and icy conditions have led to numerous highway closures, causing traffic congestion and delays. In response to the storm, Texas Governor Greg Abbott has mobilized state emergency resources. Crews have been working around the clock to treat roads with salt and de-icing materials to minimize accidents.